Hello children, in today's class we will do problems on subtraction. First question is, what must be added to 2571 to get 4000? You can see here one of the addends are given to us, that is 2571, and the sum is 4000. We have to find out the another number which we have to add in 2571 so that we get the sum equals to 4000. Let's take an example first. If we have a number 4 and we have to find out that what should be added in 4 to get 10, that means one of the addends is given to us, sum is given, we have to find out the number to be added in this 4, that is the other addend. So this number will be equals to the difference between sum and the given number, that is 10 minus 4, which is equals to 6, which means if we add 6 and 4 we will get 10. Okay, so if we have to find out any one of the addend, these two are the addends, if any one of the addend is missing, we have to find out any one of the addend, then we subtract the given number from the sum. So here also given number is 2571 and sum is 4000. We have to find number to be added. That will be equals to sum, that is 4000, minus given number 2571. Now write them in column 4000 and 2571. Now we have to subtract them. So as you can see, we have 0 at ones, tens and hundreds place. So we need to borrow from thousands place. So at thousands place we have 4000. Borrow 1000, 3000 will be left. Here after borrowing 1000 from thousands place, 10 hundreds will be there. But we have to give 100 in tens place. So 9 hundreds are left here in hundreds column. Similarly, 9 tens will be left in tens column, as out of 10 tens we have to give 1 10 in ones column. And here in ones column 10 ones will be there. Now start subtracting. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4 and 3 minus 2, 1. So number to be added is equals to 1429. Next question is, a shopkeeper had 2453 kg of sugar. He sold out 526 kg and 859 kg sugar in 2 days. So how much sugar was left in the stock after sales in 2 days? So in this question it is given that shopkeeper had 2453 kg of sugar, out of which he sold 526 kg and 859 kg of sugar in 2 days. So firstly, we have to find out that how much sugar was sold in 2 days. So to find total sugar sold in 2 days, we have to add 526 and 859. That is the total amount of sugar which was sold in 2 days. Now we have to find out that how much sugar was left in the stock. So to find sugar left in the stock, we will subtract this sum from the total amount of sugar, that is 2453. So total amount of sugar is equals to 2453 kg. Sugar sold in 2 days. It is equals to 526 kg plus 859 kg. So we have to find out the sum of these two numbers. So 526 and 859. Add them. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 will be carried in tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. And 5 plus 8, 13. That means total sugar sold in 2 days is 1385 kg. Now we have to find that how much sugar was left in the stock. So sugar left in the stock is equals to the total amount of sugar 2453 kg minus sugar sold in 2 days, that is 1385 kg. So now we have to subtract these two. So write in columns 2453, 1385 and subtract them. So 3 minus 5 we need to borrow. Here 4 will be left. It will be 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 4 minus 8 we cannot subtract, so again borrow. 3 will be left here and it will be equals to 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 3 minus 3, 0 and 2 minus 1, 1. So this is equals to 1068 kg. Therefore, answer is sugar left in the stock is equals to 1068 kg. Next question is, I subtracted a number from 9024 and got 4159 as the answer. Which number did I subtract? Now we have studied that minuend minus subtrahend is equals to the difference. So in this question, a number is subtracted from 9024. That means this 9024 is minuend and got 4159 as the answer. So this 4159 is the difference. So which number did I subtract means we have to find out the subtrahend. So to find this subtrahend, what we will do, we will subtract the difference from minuend. It will be equals to minuend minus difference. So start the question now. Given number is equals to 9024. Answer is 4159. So number to be subtracted will be equals to 9024 minus 4159. So 9024 and 4159. We have to subtract both of them. So we cannot subtract 9 from 4. Borrow from tens column, it will be equals to 14, and here 110 is left. 14 minus 9 is 5. Again we need to borrow. Here 0 hundreds are there, so borrow from thousands column. 8 thousands will be left here. 9 hundreds will be left here, and this will become 11 tens. 11 minus 5, 6, 9 minus 1, 8, and 8 minus 4, 4. So answer is number I subtracted is equals to 4865. Next question is, a factory manufactured 9574 toys in 1 week. It sent 2595 toys in one market, 2659 toys in second market. How many toys are left in the factory? So total number of toys produced is given to us, that is 9574, and the toys sent in first market, one market, and toys sent in second market are also given. The numbers are given to us. So firstly we have to find out that how many toys were sent in both the markets. Then to find out number of toys left in the factory, we will subtract that sum from total number of toys manufactured. So total number of toys manufactured is equals to 9574 number of toys sent in both markets, that will be equals to 2595 plus 2659. So add both the numbers, 2595 and 2659. We have to add them. 5 plus 9, 14. 1 will be carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 and 5, 15. 1 will be carried again. 1 plus 5, 6, and 6, 12. Carry 1, and it will be 5. So number of toys sent in both markets is equals to 5254. Now we have to find out how many toys are left in the factories. So number of toys left in the factory it is equals to total number of toys, that is 9574, minus number of toys sent in both the markets, so 5254. So subtract them now. 9, 5, 7, 4, and 5, 2, 5, 4. Here 4 minus 4 will be equals to 0, 7 minus 5 equals to 2, 5 minus 2 equals to 3 and 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So it is equals to 4320. Therefore the answer is number of toys left in the factory is equals to 4320. Next question is, a scooter company produced 5,458 scooters in 2010 and 6,025 scooters in 2011. We have to find out increase in production. Increase in production means that how many more scooters did the company produce in 2011 than 2010. So to find out this increase in production, we have to find the difference between the number of scooters produced in 2011 and 2010. So scooters produced in 2010 is equals to 5,458. Scooters produced in 2011 is equals to 6,025. So we have to find out the increase in production. That will be equals to 6,025 minus 5,458. So write them in columns. 6,025 minus 5,458. So we cannot subtract 8 from 5. Borrow 110 from 10's column. It will be 15. Here 110 is left now. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Again we have to subtract 5 from 1, which is not possible. So borrow 1 from hundreds column, but here in hundreds column we have 0 at hundreds place. So jump to the thousands column. 5 thousands will be left here, 9 hundreds will be left here, and it will be equals to 11 tens. 11 minus 5, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So it is equals to 567. Therefore, answer is increase in production is equals to 567.